Hello once again. We are still on the roads, on the footpath of the city of Budva. And now we are walking towards a place called Sveti Stefan. Sveti means saint. Stefan is the name of the saint. So it's about 9 kilometers from here, and we're gonna take a walk to there. So join me or join us and enjoy the walk to Sveti Stefan. Sweaty is not really a good word, to be honest. It's Sveti Stefan.
Slutty Stefan.
It's not that sweaty, guys. It's the sweaty means saint. Here we are through the potential neighborhood of Budva, as we are being navigated by one and only Brittney.
We'll see if I get there.
Yeah. It's a 2 hours walk as per the Google Maps, guys. So let's see if we can make it any early or make it ever. She has again. I think we're gonna take 4.5 hours like this.
How do we go to the beach?
Show me.
No.
Maybe we can just ask. Dumb guy.
If we do like U-turns like this, we're gonna take 4.5 hours.
Oh wait, no, I still want it. Good. Yeah, I'm just getting confused.
I think when you put this hat, then something goes wrong.
No, it went wrong yesterday too, didn't it?
Yeah.
No, it did. I wasn't wearing the hat. Don't blame the hat.
No, I think we're gonna continue along this path forever until we reach.
We've only shaved 4 minutes off, guys.
Yeah, we just only passed. From 2 hours, we still 1 hour, 56 minutes to go. So we will make it at some point. Somewhere there, I guess. Look at a cat. Another cat. Then there is another cat. There is one over there. So it's all cats, cats, and cats. There is another one. There is a cat on every step, guys, here.
Oh my goodness. Too cute.
Cuteness overloaded, yeah.
Yes. I mean, we had a full-on conversation.
We're gonna go through a little tunnel, a walking tunnel. I thought it was a little tunnel, but it is longer than.
I would not walk through here at night time though. It's creeping out.
Yeah. There are cameras though. There are CCTV cameras.
I don't think that it works.
You don't think they were? They're just there for show.
I think this is the old bit, and then they extended it again with the new extension to it. Here you go. Here we are in the new part.
Oh, there's another camera. There's 2.
Yeah,
3.
you will be alright, I guess, if you choose to come.
Yeah?
Come on, you can do
There's
that.
a car once again.
Alright, now it's want to join us.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on, let's go. Let's go to Sveti Stefan and we will bring you back
Slutty
if we
Stefan.
walk back.
Slutty Stefan. Oh, another one.
There's another one here.
Oh wait, no, that's back.
My god. I've never seen so many cats in my life together.
Dude, go to Greece.
Yeah?
One time I turned around and there were literally like just 8 cats, like all like sitting on a ledge thing. It was amazing.
Yavrum benim. Bak şimdi.
There's one more.
We should have started counting.
As we continue to walk, there are the green rocks, guys. I don't know what's the reason for them being green. Here we have another cat. I don't know, we have now come across countless number of cats and we are one.
Hey. Oh, are you just too cute?
It's posing. It's time to grab something so we can fuel ourselves from this fancy looking supermarket, guys. Mini HDL, I think is the name. And we are still walking along the sea. And ahead of us is another tunnel that we need to walk through now. A sad girl. Have you been such a sad person?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
No?
I'm very calm.
No, you are not never like this? You never been like this?
No.
Like her?
She's so sad.
No?
No, that was me.
Whoa! Wow! What a tunnel, guys. This tunnel is even better, right? Than previous one. This is so cool.
Yeah.
So cool tunnel.
Still creepy, but not as creepy.
Yeah.
And there is no cars.
You know, it's just a vibe of the place, right? Even though this one is a bit more darker than that one, but that one still felt a bit creepy, yeah.
I also wouldn't walk in this one at night either, though. Tunnels at night are just so good.
Alright, here are the first views of Sveti Stefan from the distance. That's where we are going. But still a long walk to go, guys. Still a long walk. Here you go. Fuck world. Carry on the walk.
Like, okay.
Yeah. And walk. Because it's a long walk. Another 2 cats.
The one who has food, yeah?
Here you go, you have activated them now.
You will not like it.
You will not like it.
Give them one. Let's see.
If you want, please, you're welcome. Do you like it? No, as I thought.
No.
Maybe it's because of it's in my head. And
No.
no,
Nope. Sorry then.
probably I should buy some meat instead.
Oh, please stretch.
They're so nice cats. They don't say anything. Look.
You don't like it. I can get it to you whole. It's not a problem. You just don't like it.
Alright guys, after a couple of back and forth, I have taken the responsibility to, yes, to take us out of this mess of where to go. So hopefully now we are gonna reach the correct path we are supposed to follow. They are coming a bit slow. I don't know. As per Google Maps. This supposed to go this way. Here I think we are on the road now. So, cheers to me. Here we are almost on the road. Cheers to me for taking these guys out of the mess of up and back and forth and not able to find the way to carry on. There is a air tag notification on my mobile. Is it you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have an air tag with me.
So why is it now coming up?
I don't know. I don't understand air tags, to be honest.
And you're carrying one?
Huh?
You are carrying one?
Well, I'm getting one for like, I don't understand one, how to make the sound go off. And I don't understand, like, why mine will appear, like, you'll get a notification.
Yeah, they say.
You have one? People are following you?
No, I think it comes active when there is another iPhone in the range.
Yeah.
So if you have you marked it as lost or what?
No.
Then it could be somebody else. Something else, I don't know. You are also carrying one.
Carrying one. Oh.
An air tag?
What is it?
It's sad.
Stop it.
I don't know how to stop it. Oh, okay.
See, that's the point. I don't know how to stop it.
So any can go you make you ring like this.
Huh?
Anyone can make you ring like this?
Well, if it like pops up on their phone,
Alright.
which I don't understand. I use it for like, in case I lose my luggage kind of thing.
Yeah. And there is still 48 minutes to go. We are gonna spend 40 minutes here with the cat again.
It's some cat with
Is she crying? Right? Looks like it's crying.
You could just have the eye boogers.
looks like little.
Here we are racing with the sun. Whether we reach to the Sveti Stefan before sun reaches the horizon.
Based on the word sweat. It's like,
And we're walking through this quiet,
Like sweaty?
I don't know what is it, but yeah, quite a green area. Okie dokes, we have already almost made it. Here is the little top view of the island, and over there is the viewpoint on the main road, and the people there are making some noise. So we need to go down, I guess. And I wonder if we can take this path. I think so.
You go down?
I would think so. Yeah, I think we can try. Alright. So after walking forever, looks like we have arrived to our destination.
yay!
We have made it, guys. Thanks to me.
Yeah. It was very nice of you.
Thank you. She is not happy to appreciate.
Huh?
You are not even appreciate.
I got us here 85% of the way.
Yeah.
Wrong way. Yeah, because there was like 55.
Walked all of that, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Literally.
We walked all the way which you can't even see behind there. We have walked all this. My God.
There is no shortcut.
So we need to find a place where we can see the sunset from. The guys on the top are eagerly waiting, and I pray there are clouds. Come. I'm happy if I can't see the sunset, but I can't see them seeing a sunset while I'm not able to see.
I can't see it. No one can see it.
Yeah. They have come in a bus. So I think we will see from there.
Yeah.
Yeah. But there are clouds. There are clouds. I think we will see the last bit of it when it just goes into the water. Wow. Look at there. Wonderful. It's gonna be wonderful. Actually, we can see from here also. It's not that bad. But can be better. It's gone. It's gone. Gone. It's gone. I think this is the perfect point, to be honest. This can be a better one.
Here.
What do you say? Is it a good one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are we happy here? Okie dokes, guys. So that was it. We tried our best. But in the end, clouds. It was the clouds that ruined the whole enjoyment of the sunset. See you next time.